The human mind is a complex and intricate machine that governs our behavior and actions. In this video, we will dive into a deep understanding of your subconscious mind, and ultimately, this understanding will allow you to more effectively apply the law of attraction to your life to manifest anything that you desire. Be sure to watch to the end of this video, where I will be providing 4 essential steps that you can regularly begin practicing so you can easily begin manifesting any desire without fail. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. The mind comprises 2 parts, the subconscious and the conscious mind. The subconscious mind is the root cause of our actions, while the conscious mind is the effect that bears the manifestation of our thoughts. The subconscious mind doesn't understand logic and only knows feelings, while the conscious mind is the logical and critical thinking one. Ideas impressed upon the conscious mind are passed on to the subconscious mind through feelings, which gives us a manifestation in our daily life. However, the relationship between the two is a shrouded mystery, and we often only see the result bearing down upon us. The conscious mind processes these results, but they are merely a reflection of what we initially believed, what we believe on a deeper level in our subconscious mind. Understanding the nature of consciousness and its operating counterpart, the subconscious, is vital to have answers to life's questions. This knowledge not only benefits individuals, but also can have a positive impact on the world around us. When an idea is given to the subconscious mind, it becomes the truth, regardless of external opinions, because the subconscious mind only operates by suggestions and not rational thinking. As humans, we have the power to choose and entertain our ideas, giving us direction over our lives. This power enables us to consciously direct our subconscious mind, which creates the reality we experience. Neville Goddard simplifies the workings of the subconscious mind by describing it as female and the conscious mind as male. The male is the giver and the female is the receiver. The conscious mind directs where the subconscious mind goes and gives it instructions, while the subconscious receives the instructions. The source of our reality is deep within the subconscious mind, which is often referred to as the womb of creation, because it is the place in which our reality is birthed. It's important to note that our mental states and feelings are constantly trying to manifest themselves as their nature. These thoughts and emotions have the power to shape our world, influence events, and impact our interactions with others, all without us having to exert any conscious effort. This is because our subconscious mind is automatically working for us, and it's our job to utilize our conscious mind to direct our focus on what we want. Our subconscious operates and manifests automatically, whether we realize it or not. Many people often believe that they need to improve their manifesting skills in order to achieve their desired outcomes, but this is not necessarily the case. The only thing that technically needs improving is making sure that you focus on the things that you want in your life. Focus on having them rather than the lack of them. We can only direct our thoughts, mental images, and feelings as it is the law that does everything else for us. We don't need to be in a special state of mind, nor do we need to wait for a specific time to take action, as things in themselves are not the power of the mind. Once we have achieved the desirable feelings, a desirable state of mind, and a desirable perspective, the effects will naturally flow without any effort on our part. The key is embodying the state in which we have our desires already. Of course, the intensity of our emotions and mental states is a key factor to consider. The stronger our emotions and mental states are, the more power they have to shape our physical reality, and the faster they will do so. Therefore, we should focus our efforts on directing our feelings, emotions, and mental pictures while also being mindful of the intensity of these states. It's important to persist in this effort for days or even weeks, or however long it takes, and avoid slipping back into a victim mentality or negative thought patterns, as this will only serve to hinder our progress. Some people may experience a mix of feelings and focus, which can make it difficult to manifest their desired outcomes. They may still be fixated on what the current reality they perceive as fact, rather than on the power of their own minds. When we focus on the physical reality, we are no longer taking care of our minds, and we become lost in our circumstances. Therefore, it is important to remain aware and focused on cultivating the mental states and feelings we desire, rather than becoming overly preoccupied with the physical reality around us. These events that occur in our lives are not random, but they are simply a result of beliefs that are deeply embedded in our subconscious mind. In order to consciously create a better life for ourselves, there are certain steps that we must take. Step 1 is to be aware and begin taking control of our feelings. Our conscious mind controls our life, and our feelings are the gateway to our subconscious mind. When we focus on positive thoughts and emotions such as happiness, love, and gratitude, or even freedom, our subconscious mind responds by bringing more experiences similar to those feelings into our lives. On the other hand, negative thoughts and emotions such as fear, anger, and sadness create a negative vibration that attracts more negative experiences. Step 2 is to let go of imperfections. When we constantly dwell on our flaws and limitations, we limit ourselves and reinforce negative beliefs in our subconscious mind. Instead, we should focus on our strengths and positive qualities to create a strong sense of self-worth and confidence. If you find yourself dwelling on the negative, then do not beat yourself up. Have compassion for yourself and simply redirect your thoughts. Step 3 is to counteract the negatives. While negative thoughts and emotions can manifest in our lives, we have the power to counteract them by consciously choosing positive thoughts and feelings. Affirmations, positive self-talk, and creative visualization are effective tools for reprogramming our subconscious mind and changing our beliefs about ourselves and the world around us. Step 4 is to understand the difference between wanting and being. Our thoughts and emotions about ourselves are powerful forces that shape our experiences. If we focus on what we want from a place of lack or neediness, we reinforce the belief that we do not have what we desire. Instead, we should focus on embodying the feelings of already having achieved our desires, such as joy, peace, and fulfillment, or even having something very specific, like having a new house. By aligning our thoughts and emotions with the experiences we wish to create, we can manifest them more easily and effortlessly. Now, taking control of our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs is absolutely essential for creating a better life. When you focus on these positive feelings, when you let go of the imperfections, and you counteract the negatives with positives, and you fully embody the feelings of already having your desire, you can fully reprogram your subconscious mind and more easily manifest anything you desire in your life effortlessly. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful in your manifesting journey. Please be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment down below with your biggest takeaway, and be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded so that you can start accelerating your manifesting and have the life you truly desire.